everyone. So today I would like to talk about this app, which is one of its kind social networking app where you could meet other artists. Yeah, you heard it right. You could post your song covers, dance covers, sketches, paintings, everything. Cool, isn't it? When I first heard of the app, I could not stop myself from trying it, and now I'm an active user in the app. I post song covers daily. It is really fun to interact with other artists as well. So go check it out on Play Store. It is spelled as Arttora, Arttora, and be the most creative person you ever know. So go download it.